Horses out for the 2014 Pilbara.com First Leg Triple Crown Stakes Race. We have Matang Tubig gets away immediately, and in second, Top Dance alongside his low profile, then followed by Dixie Gold. Kaiser Slaughter comes next. In between horses, Canlaon, Kid Molabe, the favorite, third last, second last, Winter's Tale, and River Miss is the retrailer. 24 on the first quarter with Matang Tubig, the leader today by about 2 lengths. Right behind in second is Low Profile. 2 lengths Winter, Top Dance, Kaiser Slaughter in fourth. And in fifth, moving up, Canlaon, rushing up, Kid Molabe, Dixie Gold, Winter's Tale, and River Miss now racing him nas. Matang Tubig with 23 on the second quarter is still in front. Low Profile is already outside Top Dance. Then here comes Kid Molabe, now coming closer on the outside board. And that's still Matang Tubig, Top Dance, Low Profile, Kid Molabe rushing about the outside to take the lead. The lead now belongs to the favorite, Kid Molabe, with 23 on the third quarter as the field turn for home. Kid Molabe this time by about 2 lengths. Low Profile in second, Dixie Gold moving up, Canlaon on the outside, and down to the finish. And that's still Kid Molabe, Low Profile, Dixie Gold is on the outside. Kid Molabe, Dixie Gold is on the outside. And finally, first leg belongs to Kid Molabe. Second, Dixie Gold. Then comes Canlaon. Top Dance.
Okay, the race is finally over, ha? Yan yung ating first leg. Napakaganda.
Napakagandang karera.
Napakagandang karera. Numero 7, Kid Molabe. Ha? Yan po ang unang tumawid sa linya, the top choice. At magmula pa lang sa, may drama na kagad tayo.
Oo, yung starting gate lang, medyo nagkaroon ng...
Andy Sevilla at Mr. Rene Viloria. Racing fans, what an exciting finish yung ating katatapos na karerang first leg ng ating Triple Crown Stakes Race, wherein 7-horse, the favorite Kid Molabe, emerged as the victor, owned by Mr. Manny Santos, trained by Renato Tito Egoy Hipolito, and then expertly ridden by Class A jockey John Alvin Guse. Before anything else, I would like to introduce to you our distinguished guest for this afternoon for gracing this occasion. Of course, from the proud sponsor, the Philippine Racing Commission, we have its chairman, Honorable Chairman Angel Lopez Castaño Jr. We also have Honorable Commissioner Jesus Jess Cantos. Also, the Executive Director, the third. We have Honorable Commissioner Lyndon Barbosa Guse. And also from Philippine Racing Commission, we have Dr. Romy Buencamino. And from the host club, the Metro Manila Turf Club, we have our Senior Vice President and Racing Manager, Mr. Rudy Prado. Together is Miss Maan and Lani. Onwards now for the awarding presentation. Siyempre, narito na ang very proud owner ng kabayong Kid Molabe. Medyo nagkabiroan pa kami. Sabi ko, Boss Manny, official na. Kabayo mong nanalo. Tanggalin mo na ang nervous mo. Eto na po, Mr. Manny Santos. Siya mismo ang tatanggap ng kanyang tropeyo bilang owner ng kabayong Kid Molabe. Alright. Medyo hindi pa magandang salida nitong ating Kid Molabe, but still, Alvin Guse, naitawid niya ng mga isang kabayo pa itong kanyang entering Kid Molabe, which is by Into Mischief out of Unsaid. Alright. Ngayon naman, tatawagin natin yung isa ko pang in-interview kanina. Medyo nakikitaan ko na rin ng saya ang trainer ng kabayong Kid Molabe. Wala pong iba kundi si former jockey Egoy, that's Renato Tito Egoy Hipolito. Cool na cool si Tata Egoy. Ha? Talagang walang pressure dun sa kanyang paghahanda sa kabayong Kid Molabe. Ang ating winner para ating first leg ng Triple Crown. Alright. tinanggap na ni trainer Tito Egoy Hipolito yung kanyang tropeo from Commissioner Jess Cantos. At ngayon naman, tatawagin natin ang hinete, ang pumatnubay sa kabayong Kid Molabe, Class A rider. Here we go now. Let's give it up for Jackie John Alvin Guse. Hindi nasira ang diskarte ni Alvin despite nga na sinabi ko hindi maganda ang salida ng kanyang kabayo. Nag-antay lamang ng ultimo kwarto o last 400. Nagrekta at eksaktong-eksakto naitawid niya yung kanyang kabayo. Alright, at hindi pa dyan po nagtatapos yung ating awarding presentation dahil meron tayong Breeders' Purse na nagkakahalaga ng 100,000 sa nanalong breeder at tatanggap din po ng tropeo. Walang iba kundi ang breeder niyan, si Boss Manny Santos din. Dalawang tropeo po, one as owner and one as breeder for horse Kid Molave, a 3-year-old bay colt. Once again, our congratulations to the winning connections of horse Kid Molave. Proud owner, Mr. Manny Santos. Trainer, Renato Tito Egoy Hipolito. And jockey is John Alvin Guse. Abangan po ninyo yung second leg ng Triple Crown set next month. Alright, good afternoon once again, Bayang Karerista, and we will be right back for the parade of race number 5.